Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm just going to go over a little bit of my backlog of RC cars since I'm waiting for parts on my Axial SMT10s. So I'm going to be kind of introducing you to some of my collection for now. So this is my very first hobby grade RC that I ever got. I got this probably when I was in junior high, and this is a Kyosho Raider. It was released I think around 1988 or 1989, or at least that's when I got it. So it's just a Kyosho buggy, and I got it as a kit from Tower Hobbies back in the day when they were strictly mail order catalog. You'll notice that these wheels aren't actually the ones that came with it. I no longer have the originals. I don't know where they are, but this is what I had as a replacement. You'll also notice that I replaced the shocks as well. The stock red plastic ones kept on the actual shock body actually kept on cracking on me. They were made out of plastic and they were friction shocks, so they weren't oil filled. This body is also not the original body I had. I bashed that up pretty bad and kind of destroyed it. So this one's actually from Team Blue Groove. He made a reproduction of this body, and I went ahead and got reproduction decals for it and painted it up in this Tamiya blue metallic color. I think it's PS 13 or 15 or something like that. Anyway, take a look under the hood. Alright, so you'll notice there's a few things that are different here. I've put a Tamiya TBLE02 electronic speed control in here. The original came with this ancient artifact here, manual speed controller. Don't know if you guys remember seeing these. This is actually a replacement I actually bought. The original one that came with this kit actually had all the different leads exposed for the different positions of the speed controller. This one actually covers the positions of the speed controller. And this is the old receiver box that I had with my Kyosho Pulsar Pro, which I also bought along with the Kyosho Raider back in the day. Nice little analog battery meter. Huge long antenna. Throttle trim, steering trim. And this thing took, I think, 8 batteries, I want to say. 8 AA batteries. Yeah, so 4 on this side. And 4 on the other side. And it just connected like that. Back then, these guys also used these things called crystals as well for the frequency. You can see right there. Can't believe I still have this. I should probably get rid of it. Anyway. Yeah, so this is a Sanwa receiver from the Sanwa MX5. It's got the original Le Mans stock 05 brushed motor in there. I think it's some 27 turn variant or something like that. Here's the these shocks are actually Kyosho Ultima shocks. So one thing you'll notice, one of the problems with this car was the bump steer. See that? Bottom of the chassis. This is kind of the location where that on-off switch used to be. So pretty cool. I mean, it was a great first hobby grade RC car. It was fun to build. Definitely got me into this hobby. In just a minute we'll show you some running videos.